Welcome to Alia Mama Warehouse Department. Are you a numbers person? Even if you are, it's possible that your inventory counts in SAP and the actual quantities on your shelves do not always match. But with inventory reconciliation, you can figure out the difference between your records and your physical count in your warehouse, before making adjustments for your numbers to match. This is an essential process to ensure a successful inventory audit results. This is Alex, and in this lesson, we will take you through a number of proven ways to unearth the possible causes of inventory discrepancies that may happen in your warehouse shelves. To discuss the steps in inventory reconciliation, here is Sam. Hi Sam. Thank you, Alex, and welcome to all warehouse employees watching this video. Friends, there are reasons why there is a difference between the two numbers that cannot be corrected with such an adjustment. In particular, you should consider any or all of these steps. Number 1. Recount the inventory. You, or any members of the team may have incorrectly counted the inventory. If so, have a different person count it again. If the physical count appears to be significantly lower than the sheet balance, it is possible that there are more items in other locations, so look around and recount to make sure. Number 2. Verify material code, serial or part numbers. There is a possibility that you are misreading the material code of the item on the shelf, or making assumptions at its identification because there is no material code or part number at all. If so, seek assistance from an experienced warehouse staff, or compare the item to the descriptions in the SAP or records. Number 3. Make sure units of measure match. If you have already done a number of recounts and there is still a difference, it is likely that the units of measure are the problem. Are the units of measure used for counting and recording the same? One item might be in eaches, while the other might be in packs or dozens. Be attentive to details like this. Number 4. Visit your red tag area. Scrapped items from the red tag event can be the major cause of inventory imbalances, if not recorded properly, and the staff may easily overlook its proper documentation in the inventory sheets or electronic records. Number 5. Look for missing documents. Documents are a major source of inventory discrepancy issues. The quantity in the inventory records may be incorrect because a transaction has occurred, but was not processed in SAP. An example of this problem is goods receipts that have not yet been entered, so the inventory record is too low, or issuances from the warehouse to other projects that have not been entered, so the inventory record is too high. Number 6. Examine for possible ownership issues. If items do not appear in your SAP, there may be a good reason for that. Your warehouse does not own it, another project does. This is especially common when other projects need their items be delivered to a warehouse near the supplier. Receiving documents kept on file are the best proof. Additionally, it is also possible that you have items in stock that are on consignment from a supplier, and which are therefore owned by the supplier. Or the items in question are subject for goods returns due to many reasons. If all forms of internal procedures fail, and investigations are unsuccessful, then a decision must be made. Accept the variance and alter the electronic record to match the physical count. Some unknown errors will eventually be found that may explain the discrepancy. Keep in mind that, when you are in doubt, the physical count is correct. We have come to the end of this lesson. I hope you will watch our upcoming videos to learn about how to ensure an efficient and organized warehouse. This is Sam, thank you and goodbye.